Careful, Marion, the flames. You need a long tongue. See, I can look how far away I can stand with this. Oh, it's summertime, guys, and there's nothing better than being in the great outdoors with your best friend having a braai. So come check out some of my braai hacks to get this braai party started. And to celebrate, I've got a present for you, Marion. Close your eyes and open your hands. Open it. Guess what it is. She's never gonna guess. Unwrap it. But nice. Okay, go for it. It's a Donkey Long Tong. It's a braai tong, but it's long. Pull it. It's a Donkey Long Tong. And I'm engraving it for you, look. There's it. That's your early Christmas present, but I'm going to borrow it for this video, okay? I'm just going to borrow it. DIY fire starter. I'm a fire starter. A twisted fire starter. Pop your charcoal into an egg box to light your fire. Oh, look at those flames. Let's try the wrapping. Shame you're getting so much smoke on you, Marion. You should have a tong. See, look how far away I can be with my tong. I'm cleaning the grill using a lemon dipped in some coarse salt, natural degreaser, and it's creating a bit of steam on the grill. Shame you're getting covered in smoke, Marion. I'm not. I love having an organised braai station. Let's make a holder for our roller towel. Lift it up to the hanger, Marion. Look at this. You can hang it in the tree, on the side of your table, next to your braai. Throw it in the braai. Let's make a DIY charcoal chimney. You're gonna need a really big tin. This came from our coffee. Hey, Marion. This came from our coffee. Punch some holes in the bottom of the tin. Fill it with your coals and light it up, baby. See you later, coal chimney. What's in here, Marion? Our braai broodjies. I pre-made it yesterday. And I popped it straight back into the bread packet, into my container. Slide it over like this. Take one, Marion. Take it out. Take one. Take another. It's a braai broodjie dispenser. Lay it down on your foil. That's nice, Marion. Make a nice tight parcel. Ow, Marion, I've broken a nail. Look at this. Pop your parcel on the braai. Do you want to flip it? Actually, I'm going to do it. See the motion. Our braai broodjies are ready. It's a classic, eh? Cheese, tomato, onion, chutney. Our coal chimney worked its magic. Wanna cook boerewors like a pro? Always allow a bit of space in between for the heat to travel through. And how's this one I made? I created spaces using veggies. Bakkies Boete actually taught me this trick. You know, when you're talking to Bakkies Boete, you can't just talk to him straight. You look up. Because he's very tall, A, and B, you actually look up to him because he's an inspiration. So that's figurative and literal. Now, Bakkies, why aren't you returning my phone calls if you're watching this? FYI, this is also a Donkey Long Tong, but it's not a long tong, this is just a donkey tong. See, this is gentler on the meat. Doesn't break your boerewors apart like a velociraptor. This is how I always cook my choppies, guys. I stack them up together, clamp them with my tong. You just let it rest there long enough. Look how beautifully we've rendered the fat of these choppies. A squeeze of fresh lemon for flavour. Lemon squeezer also. Flipping the choppies. Perfection. Our choppies are ready. DIY, because anybody can. Okay, can have them back now. Here. It's a clue for what I want for Christmas, Marion. It's a clue. P.S. guys, you can also get yourself a Donkey Long Tong for yourself, for your friend, for your boyfriend, for your husband. If you go on their website and you click on the special Suzelle bundle deal, you're going to get this cool hat that says, "There's it," which is our catchphrase. There's it.